know you shop too much when you don't even remember like what you bought.
Huh, honey?
Hey guys, it's Jillian, aka Handbag Honey, and if you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Kate Spade heart bag I bought. I got this in the mail yesterday, and so I'm super excited to open this. I checked out the Kate Spade outlet, and they had a couple of heart bags. It was really cute. They had one that was like a faux fur, sort of like a Sherpa one, a pink Sherpa one, and they also had like sort of like a plum, dark purple glitter one too. And then they had like one with like many hearts on top of the heart, if that makes sense. They had like a heart print one, and they had like a black and white one. But unfortunately, like by the time I finally convinced myself, okay, you need this heart bag, I was originally going to get like either the Sherpa one or the one with the glitter, but they were all sold out. So I decided to go, I believe, yes, this was on the outlet too. This is an outlet bag. Actually, it's funny too. I originally purchased a retail bag. It was a red heart bag. I can insert a picture. And so they ended up selling out really fast too. And they didn't tell me that they were sold out until like maybe like a week later. So that was kind of a bummer, but hopefully I like this bag. This is a true unboxing. I haven't opened it yet. So hopefully I like this bag just as much or even more than the original red heart bag that I was going to get. The red heart bag, it's kind of like a puffier version, while with this, at least by the pictures, it seems more like a hard structured one. So without further ado, let's get started. And I have my trusty pair of scissors right here. Oh, and besides the bag too, I also bought a necklace as well, which I can show you guys. It's a necklace and earring set, I believe. Yeah. That's pretty sad. You know you shop too much when you don't even remember like what you bought. Ooh, okay. Wow, this is bigger than I expected. This is the bag. In a pretty light pink. It's sort of like a baby pink color. Yeah, like I thought. This one is like way more hard and structured. See, it's not like squishy at all like the other bag was. This is more of a cross grain leather. And it's called the Heart Crossbody Love Shack in Chalk Pink. And this was from the outlet. So let's unwrap this. Ooh. I like how it has like the top handle and also like an adjustable crossbody strap, because I think like I said it 100 times already, but I'm gonna say it again. So I'm 5'8" and I need an adjustable crossbody strap. I can't have like a regular like one size fits all. Like that does not work for me, especially I'm a bigger girl, so. Oops. So this is what it looks like so far without the crossbody strap. And it has, I feel like, I love how it has like the Kate Spade, like the brand logo and the spade on here. I like how it's like in metal, because like in the outlet, like they hot stamp it on, and I feel like that looks kind of cheap. I like when it's like the metal version of this. So let's open it up inside and see. Oh, very nice. Like, I love how Kate Spade and Coach always packages their stuff really nicely. Because one time I bought like a Louis Vuitton bag, and all they did was like throw the bag in a dust bag. Like, there was no like type of like wrapping like this or anything on there. And it's like, did you just like pick it up from the store? Like, was this like a floor model or something? You just threw it in there? Like, come on now. But Kate Spade and Coach never let me down when it comes to packaging. And this is like, I haven't had a Kate Spade bag in years too, now that I think of it. Yeah, like this is like because I've had a Kate Spade bag before and it lasted me like forever. It was a retail bag. It was like called the Hayden satchel, and I always got compliments on everything. It was really cute. It was like a pink and nude color bag, but I sold it on Poshmark. I got some pen stains on it, and it was just starting to, the interior was starting, I got a hole in the, what is it, the interior pocket, so, and I kind of spilled some stuff on there, but I was able to sell it off of Poshmark, so that's good. But yeah, haven't had a Kate Spade bag in forever. Usually I just buy like Coach. That's what I've been buying recently. And then I'll like occasionally splurge and buy like Gucci or Louis Vuitton. But I've been liking more Gucci though. Because Louis Vuitton, like I said, the quality is just trash. And the customer service is trash. It's filled with the stuffing. I'm gonna take that out. And I'm also looking for the sensor because, you know, when you go out, like, you don't want to, if you go to the mall, you don't want to end up beeping. Because they always put, like, a sensor in your bag. Let me see if I can find, at least for Coach they do. Maybe for Kate Spade it's different. Okay, there's no sensor in there. Which, or wait. It's weird. I feel like there is one, but I don't see it. Anyways, this is what the inside of the bag looks like. I really like the pattern. Like, that's really cute, the light pink spades. And I like when bags have like a lighter inside lining because it makes it so much easier to like get your stuff in and out and define your stuff too. Well, it makes it so much easier to find your stuff, not get it in and out. But. So, I have a few things. So let's see what fits inside. So I have, oh, my Kate Spade. This is like in a magenta color. This was also from the outlet too. I'm surprised they didn't hot stamp this, but I appreciate it being metal. But this is my key holder. You can kind of compare it to like the Louis Vuitton key clay. So that fits inside. I'm recording my phone, so obviously I'm not going to use my phone. And what else? Oh, and I gotta show you guys my matching wallet. Well, it's not like matching, but I feel like it matches pretty well. I got this little card holder from Amazon for like $10. It used to have like a little heart charm right here, but it fell off. I mean, it's made in China and it's $10, so what do you expect? But I got it off of Amazon, and it kind of does like match this pretty well, kind of. So that fits inside too. And also, if you didn't notice already, this bag does have 3 card holder slots. Actually, no. Yeah, it has 3 card holder slots. So you can just zip it up. And I like how it's cross grain leather too. I mean, usually like a lot of the outlet bags, they're cross grain leather, and I'm not a big fan of it because I like something a little bit more softer. But I like how this is like really durable and scratch resistant. Like, I feel kind of iffy if it was like a glove tan. Well, not, it wouldn't be glove tan leather, that's Coach. But if it was more of like a casket leather, I'd be kind of like iffy taking it out just because it scratches so easily. And plus, I feel like I'm more likely to take this out since it's more durable. Even though it is kind of like, I don't want to say like a seasonal bag, but maybe like a statement bag. And yeah, this is what it looks like with the crossbody strap. Oh, and let me show you the jewelry that I bought too. Just as a little bonus. And they even have the jewelry wrapped up really nicely too. I like that. It has its own little plastic baggie. And it has a cute silver box too. That's cute. I used to have a Kate Spade pendant too, necklace from the outlet, and it lasted me for a pretty good time. For a pretty good while. So, I feel like their jewelry is pretty durable. And I like how it's more like delicate jewelry. It's not like this big, gaudy, flashy, costume jewelry. I'm not really into that anymore. But yeah, this is what I got. It's a gold necklace with two spade earring pendants thingies. So let me know, for my next video I can do a more detailed what's in my Kate Spade heart bag if you guys want, but for right now I'm just going to do an unbox. I'm just doing the unboxing just to give you guys the basics of the bag and just like my first impressions of it. I'm pretty happy. I think it's pretty cute. Because I'm trying to be more, well, not I'm trying to be more, but I like really enjoy the color pink, and I just want to like have more of like a feminine aesthetic. Like I want to dress more feminine. So, and plus Valentine's Day, like I said, is right around the corner. So why not give myself a Valentine? So this is the bag. Super cute. So thank you for watching my video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Honey.